Today I'm going to teach you how to harvest sweet potatoes. And I really like them because they have a pinkish color. And my dad grew them 3 months back. And they're really good to eat. And the leaves are also edible. So our bugs eat them. That's why they're edible. And there's 2 types. There's a heart one and there's a star one. I like the star one better because there's many ways to eat them, and the heart one doesn't really taste good. So, and this, I do not even know what that's for. And I really like this one because this one's really tall.
Okay. And the way you actually eat them is boiling and eating. This one can feed around 3 to 2 people. Pretty big, slice it right in half. And that is how you harvest. These are all the vines we got from them. Oh look, we forgot to get this one. Wow. This actually shows it. So sweet potatoes are basically a modified stem. A modified stem is a stem which went underground and now it's a root basically. So this is a root. And then they're attached to this is this. They also are rich in potassium, iron, and flicking acid. And this has a lot of dirt on it. And the cover, the red cover is iron, not iron, but it's rich in iron. And the inside peach part is rich in potassium. This can be used for people who have heart attacks because this highly lowers the chance of having a heart attack and blood pressure, which is technically the same thing. And
it has still a lot of
wow,
seeds.
Wow.
There's a seed. This is tiny.
Look,
wait. So these are seeds. How they come? So these seeds, these sweet potatoes, are always grown in the ground because they are modified. As Manish explained, it's a modified stand. And really see how many are hanging here.
Yeah.
So this is very interesting part.
Wow.
And interestingly, if you see the biology of the sweet potatoes, they are only grows under the ground. So this part was under the ground, and that's why it turns to the modified stem. Manish, show it here and explain.
And another thing special about these are that these actually have vitamin B12, which plants actually rarely have, and bread. So if you don't like bread and humans need vitamin B12, so this is a chance. And look at all these. We grew this, as she said, 3 months ago, and we're only halfway done. Okay, fine, more than half, but look how many we've collected. This has to be more than at least 25, easily. And we have to still cover all this up. Let's see if there's any more in here. Look at just all these vines.
And interestingly, you can again grow this on the sweet
Look at
potatoes.
this.
You
This
just
is the
take
smallest
it.
one I've seen.
So sweet potatoes grow from the root, even the branching. If you cut it this here, and you can branch in your just this stamp is enough to give more amount of sweet potatoes. So you should take it, embed it in the ground, and new plant will grow it because it has stem cells. Stem cells, any cell you can give rise to new cells. This is a very good source. As Manish said, sweet potatoes are very good source of potassium, folic acid, vitamin B12, and they all maintain your vascular system.
And there's also a really little one in here. Wow, I didn't even notice. Look at how small this is. This is the smallest one we've collected. Wow. This is literally it. I could eat this right now. And the leaves are edible. I haven't eaten a leaf before, but I'm going to try to eat it.
And we have 2 types of sweet potatoes, 2 breed, as just we told. So we have the one sweet potatoes. I think this is different.
That's pretty good.
So we are going to harvest. I don't know how they look, but this has a heart-shaped leaf. So it has semi-oval. We call it as oval, and this is star-shaped because multi-lobe leaf. If you know the botany, it's a star shape and a heart shape.
And you can also make curry with it.
And you can make if leaf are edible. You can make curry because they are also good source of folic acid. Okay.